Hi, Alicia Pennington here, and I've got an amazing yet true story to share with you today. It's about a secret system that helped me and 8,529 others just like you to conceive the baby of their dreams. I've been there, and I know that there's nothing worse than dreaming of a child to complete your family, to plan having a beautiful boy or girl, to decorate the perfect room and buy the most wonderful of clothes, only to give birth to a child of the opposite sex. But all that doubt and pain can be easily erased. Have all the risk removed and have total assurance and peace of mind that the baby you conceive will be the baby of your dreams. Hi, I'm Alicia Pennington, and I've been a midwife for over 23 years. Over the years, I've researched every baby gender selection method, attended countless courses on preconception, and perfected a natural preconception method of baby gender selection. Question is, why? Well, in my second year of work, I came across a mother who suffered severe postnatal depression after delivery of her baby girl. After consultation, she finally confessed that she had high hopes of having a baby boy, as she desperately wanted to complete her family after having 2 daughters. It had affected me emotionally, and that was the turning point of my career. I didn't want this to happen to any mothers in the future. And this motivated me to find out about perfecting baby gender selection methods. After perfecting my techniques, I successfully tested it on myself. And then I shared it with my clients. Within 1 year, the results were astounding. 117 couples tried my methods, and 112 had conceived the baby gender of their dreams. That's an amazing 94% success rate. But will it work for you? Well, I'm proud to say that my technique is proven to work regardless of your age, nationality, race, or medical condition. This will work in the same way it did for Tony and Maggie. Maybe you should hear it in their own words. Check out their video testimonial later. It's adorable. We have a happy family because of you. Your Prince or Princess Guide has made it possible for us. I was skeptical because I didn't believe in internet products, but I gave it a try because of your money-back guarantee. I was very impressed with your book as it was simple, concise, and you explained everything very well. We followed your methods. Everything was natural, risk-free, and most importantly, we felt very comfortable with it, especially when we knew that there were no medications needed, no drugs, and no expensive medical procedures which were required. We applied your methods, and now we have our lovely Princess and Prince Charming. And the only way for you to have all that, and be able to start as early as tonight, is only found in my Plan My Baby program. This is the only program out there that promises you will get the baby of your dreams. And I can make these types of promises because I've created my Plan My Baby program to be easy to understand, simple to follow, and guaranteed to work. Among the things you'll learn in my program are avoiding common mistakes, which 87% of future parents always do. The proven diet changes, which determines a specific baby gender. Timing sexual intercourse to swing your odds favorably for a specific gender. A summarized and simple guide of do's and don'ts for achieving the desired baby gender, and so much more. Now, I'm sure you're thinking, okay, Alicia, I get it, but it sounds expensive. I can certainly see how you'd think that. After all, this is the program you've been waiting for your entire life, to complete and have your own perfect family. Just imagine this, the walk in the park on a breezy autumn day, your boys and girls chasing the leaves, walking hand in hand with your loved one. How much is that scene worth to you? I think we both agree something that wonderful would be priceless. Yet my Plan My Baby program is so affordable, it's really a no-brainer. I'll let you know exactly how much in just a second. But first, let's talk about what it's not going to cost. An IVF course is on average $12,000 per cycle, or using frozen embryos, FET, will set you back $3,000, and their success rates are at best 50%. Well, don't worry, because I wouldn't think of asking you for anything close to $12,000 for my Plan My Baby program. Plus, you will get way better success without complicated medical procedures costing you thousands of dollars, without injections or medical treatments, no fictitious methods that assure 100% success, no Chinese calendar or astrology luck charts, and without requiring drugs to assist you with conception and determining the gender of your baby. That already in itself is a pretty good deal, right? But my program won't cost you anything close to that price either. How about this? I'll take off 2 zeros off the IVF price. $120 for the one program you will ever need. How great is that? I see your eyes lighting up now, but I'll go one better. Act right now and get the entire Plan My Baby program for one single payment of just $47. And even though the price is this crazy low, I understand that you will need to know deep down that your investment is safe. That's why your purchase is fully backed by my unprecedented, risk-free 2-month, 60-day guarantee. If you don't think this is the best baby gender selection program you have ever come across, then simply ask for a refund anytime in the first 2 months, and it's yours. And let me be super clear about this. You could instantly download the package right now. Use every last secret, technique, and tip. Find it totally informative, exceptionally effective, and you still could ask for a refund for no reason at all in the first 60 days. And you'll get it with a virtual handshake and a smile. I can make a promise that bold because I know you'll be elated when you sign up for my Plan My Baby program. The only program of its kind that doesn't rely on painful, harmful, fictitious, or drug-induced attempts at baby gender selection methods. But for you to have your perfect family, in order for it to work for you, there's one thing you must do. You must sign up by choosing a package below. Don't miss out on the limited time offer I'm running right now. By purchasing the Plan My Baby Prince or Princess Guide, you will also get 2 of my award-winning books, Breastfeeding Secrets for Expectant Mothers, and A Healthy Pregnancy, absolutely free. But this is for a very limited time only. So if you come back to this video and the ultimate edition of Plan My Baby is back up to $111, you'll know the special is gone forever. At this moment, it's like you're staring at 2 roads ahead. One road leads you back to the life you're living right now, a life of uncertainty, full of worries, constantly bracing yourself for disappointment, and half expecting failure. But then there's that other road, the one that leads you to the perfect baby, completing your family, and providing eternal happiness. Which way you turn truly will affect the rest of your life. So what's it going to be? The bumpy, pothole-filled road to the same old, or the newly paved road to your brand new life? Remember, Plan My Baby will work, regardless of your race, age, nationality, and medical condition. In short, it's just proven to work, and we have the testimonials to back it up. This is a promise, and it's guaranteed in writing. So go ahead, sign up right now, and let's get you your dream baby.